Look at all this lather.
It feels amazing.
We're getting super clean.
Morning, Hannafest ready?
Yeah, here you go. Thanks.
Proceed to Bay 3.
The current reading is holding steady at 150 degrees, but look at the pressure differential here.
Okay, let me update the log before we proceed with the next step.
Microbiological testing confirms antibacterial effectiveness, with Petri dishes showing bacterial growth inhibition zones around soap samples, proving efficacy.
The quality inspection station automatically scans each wrapped soap, checking for sealing, wrapper damage, and barcode readability using sensors.
Check the weight on this one.
It's good. Send it through.
Each pallet receives 5 layers of cartons, totaling 240 boxes, creating stable load approximately 1.5 meters tall.
Check the inbound shipments, and we're showing a critical alert on aisle 7.
Rerouting the AGVs now. We should avoid a stoppage.
Looks like we have an issue on line 3.
I see it. Rerouting the sequence now.
The pressure readings look stable.
Good. The torque on the joint is within spec now.
This module covers proper equipment handling, emergency evacuation procedures, and maintaining strict hygiene protocols in the workplace.
खास गसत जुटनगी
Is this the final pallet for truck 7?
Yes, scanner confirms the count.
All right, seal it up.
Pallet 67,890 confirmed. Good, truck 3 is ready for it.
Refrigerated storage areas maintain controlled temperatures for sensitive raw materials like fragrances and chemical additives, preserving quality precisely.
The data visualization confirms the increased efficacy.
Absolutely. This formulation is ready for the next phase of testing.
The absorption rate on the green formula is excellent.
This citrus scent, however, is registering too weak for the target demographic.
फोन में रदर की नाम भी तय है जीन के सभी को 30 सदी से अदांत शिकु बना बहुत गया और से सब से
Can we bring the key light up just a little bit?
That's it.
Oh.
Perfect. Exposure looks great. Let's capture that.
As you can see, the robotic arms handle the sensitive components to ensure a completely sterile process.
Okay, everyone, let's make sure we get lots of soap. Rub, rub, rub. That's it. Very good. Look how clean they are now. Hooray!
Check the tolerances on the robotic arm. They seem off.
Already on it, should be adjusted within the hour.